Itong pyesa na ito ay para dun sa mga tao na tinawag na mas masahol pa daw sa hayop. Pero hindi po totoo yun. So yun. Okay, konting background. Sinulat ko tong pyesang to kasi meron akong pamangkin, 5 years old, lalaki. Tapos, lalaki na 5 years old Tapos tuwing dadaan kami sa mall, sobrang excited siya pag nakakita siya ng Barbie doll. At saka mga pink bags. So sinulat ko to para sa kanya. Ang title lang to lang ito ay Nephew. I love you po. If my nephew comes to me saying, Uncle, I think I'm in love with a man, I will bake him a pink, fabulous birthday cake to celebrate his becoming a butterfly. But it wasn't meant to be a joke. It was meant to be a reminder that no matter how many years you've spent crawling, eating your self-esteem, no matter how long you stay hidden behind the walls you built yourself, remember that closets are for moths, but you are a butterfly. Do not be afraid to take flight and touch the stars that once looked down on you. Do not be afraid to go beyond the clouds that once shed tears on your defeat, for those are cotton candies. And the moment you allow yourself to come out and reach for the heavens, you will discover how sweet life is. Course through the wind. Let the breeze carry you in its arms. Imagine the world as a garden. But do not ever think that the gardener doesn't want you in it. I bet he will say, come, make yourself comfortable, because you are one of the reasons why this world is much more beautiful than it is. Go on, reach for that flower. Do not hesitate to say hi. Maybe drop a line or two, you might never know the sweet nectar that's waiting for you. If you come to me saying, I think I'm in love with a man, I'd probably give you a rosary. Not because love is full of mysteries, but because love is a prayer and a summon to the gods, and do not think you can walk away without making a sacrifice. Love will make you cry at 3:30 a.m. Love will bring you to places you never thought you'd be going. Love will leave your pillows drenched at daybreak. Love will make you cry out of pain and pleasure at the same time. Love is a crystal ball that makes you look forward to forever. But my nephew, I hate to break it to you, but love is not forever. But there is forever if you're in love. If you come to me saying, I think I'm in love with a man, I'd probably dress you in an armor, half periwinkle, half pink. Because whether you wear silk or steel, magenta or teal, they will shoot their arrows at you with an unseen bullseye in the middle of your heart. Brace yourself. For strangers will spit at your boots, your friends will strike you at your back, your family will hold your gauntlets tight, pulling you to wherever they want to go. Even if your heart says no. But believe me, my child, you are a warrior. Take off your helmet, show them the tears on your cheeks and the smile in your face. Hold the sun like there's no tomorrow. Keep the present in the middle of your palm, shed light. Let them follow you in the path you take across the rainbow bridge. And I tell you, there's something more beautiful than a pot of gold waiting for you at the end. You owe yourself your own happiness. And that happiness is yours to take. If my nephew comes to me saying, I think I'm in love with a man, I wish his world would be a much more better place than the one I lived in. That their eyes would reflect mercy, that their voices would echo acceptance, that their hands are not made to destroy but to build it in their hearts and in their minds. Love is not a weakness. Love is not a sin. But until then, hold my hand. Let me take the blows when they cast their bricks. Let me share your wounds that only tears can fix. Until then, my child. Until then. So, my sweet, sweet nephew, if you ever come to me saying, I think I'm in love, no matter who it is, no matter who it will be, your uncle is very, very proud of you.